Welcome to the Tech News channel, and let's talk about something that's pretty much in the news right now. Even if you're not a gamer, this is an interesting story for what it is and shows how companies probably push software and products way too fast and with not enough testing behind it. Cyberpunk 2077 is a game that was released about a week ago, week and a half. And the biggest problem with this game is that very, very soon, everybody noticed that it is super buggy. It crashes all the time, has tons of problems. I was seeing even a new report today that if you save too many items, it actually crashes the file at where you save your items. And this tech news is not necessarily dedicated to this. It's dedicated to a problem that we've been seeing everywhere, every company, every software, every device that's been released. Companies are under huge pressure to release all of that in a super fast mode. I mean, they're all behind a schedule that's extremely heavy. Everybody working behind projects like, for example, this game, are under pressure to release this as fast as we can. And what we learn is that, well, maybe it's a little too fast. Maybe the pressure's too big. It's a question of a lot of money, and that's probably why the pressure's there. It's, these releases will guarantee millions, dozens, hundreds of millions of dollars. And companies are in a rush to, of course, strap that cash as fast as they can. And also, it results in blunders. And this is a big blunder. I don't remember of any game being pulled because there were too many bugs in it. And I'll have an equivalent here, but, that has not been pulled. When Microsoft released Flight Simulator, the latest Flight Simulator, the first thing they did is actually issue a lot of bug fixes because that was one of the first complaints. It's super buggy. And there's no excuse for these to be buggy, especially, we could talk about PCs. It's a unique thing. But when you talk about consoles, PlayStation, Xbox, these devices don't come in 1 million different configurations. They come in a very limited configuration. There's no excuse behind it's buggy or not. There's no excuse behind releasing code that has to, that's crashing all the time when it's on consoles that are pretty static in their configs and their hardware. So this is a case where there needs to be a change in the future, that's for sure. And I think this is the perfect example of how companies are going way too fast and are thinking of money before they're thinking of gameplay and stability and making sure everything is all right. That's kind of my rant today, Monday, December 21st, 2020. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.